In this video, I'll be going over 1.3, PurpleAir downloading and pre-processing. And before getting started, you just want to go ahead and make sure you have these 3 steps already figured out. And you just want to go ahead and now open RStudio and we'll get started. So once you have RStudio open, you want to go ahead and go to Tools. Then you want to press Install Packages. And you want to go ahead and install these 3 packages. You want to install Tidyverse, this one, then lastly, Air Sensor. And make sure you separate each package with a comma. And go ahead and leave this the same as leave this as repository, cran. Leave that as default. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and press install. Press yes. Now after installing the packages, you want to go ahead and go to File. You want to press New Project. Go and press Save. Then once you press New Project, you want to go ahead and press New Directory. Press New Project again. Then you want to go ahead and provide a directory name. For my directory name, I'm going to name it PurpleAir Download. You want to go ahead and press Create Project. Alright, so after doing that, you want to go ahead and go to the GitHub repository for the PM 2.5 retrieval. And you want to go ahead and clone this. And by cloning, you'll just press download zip. That's what I did. And it should save as a zip file in your file explorer. So you just want to go to your file explorer, and this should be the file right here, or the folder. You want to go ahead and right click and press extract all. And the extracted version of the folder will be right here. After clicking the folder, the extracted version of the folder, you want to go ahead and open it and look for these files. You want to make sure you copy and paste these 3 Python files, and also this RMD file. You want to just right click and copy that. Then you want to make a folder to post these 4 different files inside of. So for my folder, I named it PurpleAir Download, and I'm going to store it in here. Just Control V to paste it in there. Next, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open this folder, this file right here in your RStudio. So I'll just do it like so. Just want to go to File, Open File, and go to that folder that we just pasted the 4 files inside of, and click this, double click that. Now some things to pay attention to in this code. If you scroll down, it gives state data and along with the region of that state. So in this instance, it's California, and it's giving information based off the latitude and the longitude. And if you scroll down, you'll see the dates right here. You want to go ahead and well, if depending on your preference, you can change the date. So I guess for me, I'll change it to March just to get the data from that month or a date in that month. So yeah, this is based off the start date is the 1st of March and the end date is the very next day. So it's just getting 1 day of data. Then if you scroll down to line 47, you want to go ahead and update this. So it's going to say 04/2021 LA. And LA is the region of California that we're getting the information from. And so it can match the March date. We're just going to change it to 3. And this is going to be the file name for when we save it in our file explorer. So once doing that, you want to go ahead and press run. It gives you all these options. You have the option to run chunk by chunk, which in this instance, to look at the number of chunks, this is 7 chunks, which is just the many chunks the code is divided into based off the gray areas. But for me, I'm just gonna run all at once. So just press run all. After some minutes after the code finishes running, you want to go ahead and just confirm that everything ran successfully by just going to this folder, the PurpleAir download folder, and you'll see these new folders that appear. And this is the file name that we originally saw in the RStudio. So what you next want to do, you want to open this folder inside your Visual Studio, and this is the folder right here. And you want to go ahead and click on each of these Python files, and I have them laid out right here. But before you do anything, you just want to go ahead and go up here and press New Terminal. Then that terminal should appear down here at the bottom of the program, of the window. Then you want to click this arrow over here, and you want to go to your command prompt. Now inside your command prompt, you want to go ahead and create your virtual environment. So in order to do that, you would just type in Python -m VMV, and that's just short for virtual environment. Then you want to go ahead and make your virtual environment name. And for my name for this video, I'm going to name it PurpleAir-m. But you have the option to name it anything you would like, just depending on your preference in the project. And you just press enter. Then next, you want to go ahead and activate your virtual environment. And to do this, you just type in the environment name, followed by a slash, then scripts, another slash, and activate.bat. Press enter. And that should indicate right here, these parentheses, that the virtual environment is now activated. And you can also reconfirm by just going to the folder and just reload the folder. Then it should show right there inside of it. Okay, so next what you want to do is you want to go ahead and install the 3 packages that are required to run these Python scripts. So in order to do that, you just type in pipe install. Then these will be the name of the 3 packages. Then after typing in that, you just press enter. Okay, so after installing your packages, we can now go ahead and run the script. So we're first gonna do run the script for lat long fetch. So to do that, you'll just type in your terminal, you just type in Python, then just the file name, which is lat_long_fetch.py. Then you want to type in a -d, and that -d, it basically will represent the directory name in which the CSV file will be saved in, and you want to save it inside the 03_2021_LA file or folder. Then just press enter. It's going to go ahead and download all these CSV files. And just to confirm that it was successful, you just go to your file explorer. Then you'll just press output, and it'll showcase right here the lat long fetch file. That's a CSV file right here. All right, so now we want to go ahead and run the script for the PM underscore matrix. Now, before running this script, make sure that the dates align with the ones that were in the RStudio originally. So in the RStudio, it was from March 3rd or the 1st of March to the 2nd of March. So you just want to go ahead and make sure that it's the same thing for the PM underscore matrix. So just go ahead and change that to a 3. Now we can go and run this script as well. You just type in the same thing for the lat long underscore fetch, except in this case it'll be the file name for PM underscore matrix. -d. Then type in your day, your year, and your region. Make sure it just matches with the folder inside your file explorer. Then press enter. And just to confirm that it was successful, you just go inside, we'll reload your folder, go to output, and there it is right there. Now for this next Python file, you want to go ahead and make a folder for the year. And the year for this one is 2021. So yeah, just go ahead and go inside your PurpleAir. You can go inside your PurpleAir download and just make a folder and name it 2021. Then the files, the CSV files that we just downloaded from the script, that we just ran from the script. Next, after moving those files inside your 2021 folder, you just go back to your Visual Studio Code, and you will type in the terminal. Now, after you move those CSV files inside your 2021 folder, you just go to your Visual Studio Code, and you want to go ahead and run this script for the current Python file we're in. Just type in Python, and then the name of the file. After this script is run, it's supposed to generate the hourly, daily, and monthly aggregate values of the PM 2.5 data. And to confirm that it works, you're just going to go ahead and reload this folder. Go to 2021, and there you have it. You have the daily, the hourly, and the monthly CSV files. So this will conclude this video. I hope it was very helpful, and I just want to thank you for watching.